In this video, we will explore some handy functions that can simplify repetitive tasks for you. Without further ado, let's dive in. Function statement. It is used to define a function. In function statement, function keyword is followed by the name of the function. Function expression. It is another way to define a function. Similar to the function statement, but the function is assigned to a variable. Arrow function. Arrow functions are a concise way to define functions in JavaScript, introduced in ES6. They provide a shorter syntax for writing functions. Unlike regular functions, arrow functions do not have their own this value. Anonymous function. Anonymous functions are like secret agents, they don't reveal their names. These functions don't have a specific name assigned to them. We often use anonymous functions as arguments to other functions. For example, when setting a timeout with setTimeout, handling events, or using map or filter methods. Generator function. Imagine a function that can pause and resume its execution, like a movie you can pause and play. A generator function is defined using the function asterisk syntax. Inside the function, we use the yield keyword to pause execution. To continue, we call the next method on the generator object. Immediately invoked function expression. Think of an IIFE as a function that jumps into action right after it's created, no waiting around. It's defined using the function keyword followed by parentheses. Immediately after defining it, we add another set of parentheses to invoke it instantly. Create an array of numbers from 1 to n. Use the array.from method to create a list of numbers from 1 to n. This is simpler than using a loop or map. You can also add steps to the list using the second argument. Fill the array with a default value. This is useful when you want to create an array of a certain length and fill it with a default value. Be cautious with objects, as they will share the same reference. In that case, use from or fill and map to create a new object. Shuffle an array. Use the sort method with a random function to shuffle the array. This changes the original array. If you want to keep the original array, use the toSorted method. Remove duplicates from an array. To remove duplicates from an array, use a set collection. This is better and faster than using loops. Generate random numbers in a range. Use math.random and math.floor to generate random numbers in a range. Math.random generates a random number between 0 and 1. Math.floor rounds down to the nearest whole number. Multiplying by max minus minute gives you a number between range. Pick a random element from an array. It's similar to previous one, we can create a random number between 0 and the length of the array. Use this random number as an index to pick a random element from the array. Find the maximum in an array. Use math.max with the spread operator to find the maximum value in an array. Spread operator expands an array into individual elements for the function. Similarly, you can use math.minute to find the minimum value. Convert array to object. Convert an array to an object, simply spread the array into an object. The key of the object will be the index and the value will be the array element. Find the intersection of two arrays. To find the common elements between two arrays, use a set and the filter method. The set will remove duplicates, and the filter will return the common elements between set and array. Remove falsy values from an array. Use the filter method with a boolean as the argument. This will remove all falsy values from the array. Reverse a string. First, split the string into individual characters. Then reverse the order of the characters. Finally, join the characters back together to get the reverse string. Check if an object is empty. Use the object.keys method, this will return an array of keys in the object. If the length of the keys array is 0, then the object is empty. Another way is to use the JSON.stringify method to convert the object to a string and check if it matches the open and close curly braces. Find the number of days in a month. Get the year and month of the date. Add 1 to the month and get the 0th day of the next month. This will give you the last day of the current month. Generate a random color. Use math.random to generate a random number between 0 and 1. Multiply it by 167777215, which is the maximum value for a color. Convert the number to hexadecimal using the toString method. Add a hash to the beginning of the hexadecimal number to make it a valid color code. That's it for this video. I've also included the GitHub repo link in the description for additional functions and examples. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you find these functions useful for your JavaScript projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.